Meaning of fantasy football.
Fantasy football.
Fantasy football.
Fantasy football.
Fantasy football. Fantasy football is a game where participants create imaginary teams using real-life football players and compete based on the statistical performance of those players in actual football matches. Participants draft and manage their teams throughout the season, making transactions such as adding or dropping players, and setting their starting lineups each week. The results are determined by calculating the total points earned by the fantasy team owners based on how well their chosen players performed in games. The goal is to have the highest scoring team and win the league championship.